Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another video, and today I'm just going to introduce you guys to the Trump's Empire. So it's actually a cool game, and yeah, we're just going to jump into that game and we'll just explain you along the way. So first thing first, I just opened the app. We have the welcome back screen. This is the app, by the way, like low maintenance app. I'm calling this like that, so we can just log in once per day. Although ultimately, if you really wanna grind the game, you can, because this is the game where you can actually tap um, all the time. You just need to wait a little bit to acquire the money within the game, and then you can just upgrade the stuff within the game. So we can use stars to boost our rewards, and those stars are not the Telegram stars or Google stars, which you can buy for money. Those stars are basically stars within this game. So but I'm genuinely don't really want to use for more money, just simply because we are getting money anyway. So I just rather to wait to acquire more money. So I'm just gonna press continue without spending stars. As you can see, I have 173 stars here. On those stars we can use to upgrade lots of stuff. So before I will upgrade any of those apps you see I'm running here right now, the first thing what you want to do after a break from the game, you want to go to those bottom tabs, which you can see there are red dots. That means you can upgrade either of those. So I want to go to the upgrades tab, which is this one here, and I'm gonna press this, and then we can buy here things, basically upgrade whatever we are running. So is, for example, legalize cryptocurrency nationwide, so that's gonna be profit 3 times X, so you can buy this. Another one, increase border patrol profit X, 3x, 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 3x. So lots of upgrades, and then we can go to investor tabs, and the investor tab is telling us how many investors we can climb with the restart. And the thing is, when you are going to restart, you will need to build everything from the beginning. And I don't really want to do this right now, because always the beginning is like really pain in the ass, because it's nothing automatic. So you have to actually press the button for, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes or 4 minutes to build the first upgrade and then second upgrade. So it's just gonna take you 10 or 15 minutes. So I don't want to do this. The good thing about you don't really want to do this is at some point you will have much more those investors to climb, and then you have 2% 2% profit bonus for each investor's coin. So I'm just gonna keep it, like, just gonna do this at some point, but not necessarily today, or even maybe not necessarily this week. So yeah, also we can do some videos we can watch. Then we have some other things to do here. Trump's Empire play. Then airdrop to be announced. Passive income to be announced. Climb tokens earned, friends, stars spent, achievements. Well, seems like this game is kind of new as well. I don't know, it's like super new. I mean, I need to sort of do the research, but I just started recently, like a few days ago. And the stars we can use here for multiplier. Applies a permanent X12 profit multiplier to this world, like permanent. So that's amazing. But I just don't have the stars, so I just need to wait, and I will actually buy this. Although that's 27, it's even better though. Yeah, that 27. Wait, maybe wait for this. 450 stars. Buy it. That's amazing. So there's like a couple of things like you genuinely want to save those stars for and to upgrade, because if it's permanent, that's amazing, because that's obviously will give you like huge edge for the later on. And I think this is like honestly everything. Although we have the managers here to hire, and then makes new law 25% cheaper, makes migrant control 25% cheaper. So obviously you want to read this through and then acquire whatever you like to, and then obviously you can use my ref to join me, or either start the game and then I will have the 30 stars from you, which is actually quite good because those upgrades, well, kind of expensive, but 30 stars from one person is actually a lot. It's actually a lot. Like 10 people, I will have 300 from that, so I will have 500, and then I can go with that X27 multiplier. So definitely, with your help, guys, I'll be able to reach higher peaks in the Trump's empire. But other than that, that's it for now. Just gonna talk a few minutes about the TOYGERS, and I'm just gonna move on to basically record some other video for tomorrow for you guys. So first thing first, one more time, thank you very much for people who been using my referral link. Currently 10 people. I hope to get 500 people here at least. And why? Because then I will receive 3.5 million points from that. But other than that, not really. It's not like I will get anything more than that. But I will get a little bit extra points from you guys when you're going to grind. And why I'm talking about this app every day, and I will continue to, is because they will give us lots of nice stuff for free just by getting those points here. So you just accumulating those points by scrolling that wheel, by spinning that wheel. Then at some point this year they will announce what we can get from that points, but they already told us we are able to get some nice hats, some nice hoodies, some nice gloves, jewelry, and candle sets. So there's actually good stuff, good things to grab from those points. There's going to be a toys as well. They producing some robot toys. We didn't see anything yet. There's no any like bigger announcement than it just basically a few things they wrote on the Telegram and the X account, but they didn't show any pictures. So we don't really know much more than that. But they saying it's going to be super exciting. So I believe them. It's going to be. On top of that, I'm waiting for my toy builder, which I need another 3 days to unlock. And when I'm going to unlock this, I will share with you how much points or either how much money we need to acquire, invest into that to be able to build your own toy. Because obviously this is like super exciting idea to build your own toy with your own logo. Like I'm just building my brand right now. So I'm super excited to make this and even buy by myself just to show you guys like I can build a toy from the TOYGERS app. It's like super exciting to me, at least. I guess for everybody who will be like building the brand. Like I just started to basically creating this channel half January, so it's like everything is exciting to me, that journey, and I'm super excited. I started to play the Web3 games and apps, and that's what this channel is going to be about. So would be like super huge deal to me to have partnership with them, or even if not, to actually be able to build those toys from that company, because it's a great stuff. It's super exciting. It's next level shit to be able to just build your sort of your own toy with like a super huge big massive company, because that's what's going to be. That's going to be like super global thing. If you don't know that yet, I'm telling you now. So just start fucking grinding the points, because those points you'll be able to use within the game, which they are developing right now. And obviously, like every game within the free web platform ecosystem, obviously you will be able to get the cryptocurrency, which is TON. I don't really know much about this. The only thing what I know is going to be combining real world, our world, within the gaming world. So I have no idea what's going to be. Other than that, you can buy the toys for the money, and then if you're going to buy those toys for the money, you will have your collection tab, and then you basically can stake your toys, because yes, you can redeem them, and they're just gonna send you those toys with nice box, and they're like super handmade and shit, and it's like super fucking amazing to have them. But if you will stake them, you will receive 20,000 points from every toy you stake in. So if you have free toys, as I do right now, you will have 60,000 points per day. Actually, to be exact, with 70,000, because from the toy builder you will have 10,000 points per day as well. So that's basically everything what I know so far. But there's going to be much more stuff announced, and much more stuff is going to happen. Also, one more thing. It's something unlocking here, but I don't know what. I just judging that's gonna be unlocked in the same time when I'm going to unlock the toy builder, so I will let you know what's that. By the way, you are not going to have this if you are not going to buy any toy, because I've just received this in my collection after I bought the first toy, so just keep that in mind. It's not for everybody, it's just for the rich people. Yeah, well, obviously I'm super rich anyway. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. And tomorrow, I'm just watching the card what I have, but I can see from this distance. So yeah, it's going to be either game or minor. I don't know what's going to be, but actually prep all the apps until the end of this month. I just want to crack on with them because, as you know, or maybe you don't know, I ultimately want to build like a list of apps. Just give me a second. So this is like the card here. Like, you don't see what's on the card, it doesn't matter, you will see on the channel obviously. So right now it's a Trump's Empire, and another app is going to be a KOLOBOK miner, which is going to be tomorrow video. So I'm just basically ultimately building the list of, I don't know how many apps it's going to be, but I wish to play, let's say 40 apps on desktop, and then let's say 20 apps as a miners, or 40, fuck knows, like as much as possible miners on the laptop, as much as possible games on the desktop, and as much as possible on the tablet. So I think like will be 20 split. That's a good idea actually. I need to write down this, like that'd be good, because at the end of the day I don't really have like a good desktop, like 6 years old. I need to write down this. So what I'm trying to say, I feel like it's lagging, and the thing is, like, those apps, they're not really like high maintenance stuff, right? But at the end of the day, if you are going to run 20 as I do, they actually lagging. So I think that split will be good. Like put 20, 20, 20, 20, and then at some point when I'm gonna be rich and famous, I can afford some normal desktop PC and some normal things. So then I be running like 50 50 50 ratio. That'd be a good one. Like imagine that, like fucking 50 tablets. How the fuck you be able to put the 50 tablets? I'd be the same like a fucking the Tony Robbins on the live. If you know what I mean, like. Well, actually, this month I will attend the Tony Robbins. So he's on live. He's having like thousands of tellies or tablets or whatever screens, LCD screens. So he's able to see online like thousands of people just in the same time. So that's crazy. Obviously, I'm just talking right now to be able to connect, like, I don't know, let's say for argument's sake 20 tablets, and then I can just multitask 20 games. That'd be crazy good. That'd be good. I need to try to do this at some point, to obviously to figure it out first how many apps I want to run. But I think like 10 apps on the tablets, that'd be like super easy. I think currently I'm running around the 10. Well, actually we can go and see, because actually I have the I'm already trying to allocate things into the folders, and I like the idea. Like I like we can actually create our own folders within the Telegram app. It's amazing. So as you can see, I have some other apps, wallets, QA new games, which is I'm testing those games right now, Tone Channel, and the tablet. So that's what I'm running on the tablet. So we are having 1, 2, I don't want to press them, but we are having around like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and TOYGERS, not really, 8, 9, going to be 9. HAMSTER, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So definitely in this month I will figure it out another thing. So you see it's already like 10 games, which I'm not able to run them on the desktop, and only way to run them on the desktop is to use the BlueStack, but I don't really like BlueStack because it's lagging, or unless my desktop PC is not good enough to sort of well, run the BlueStack, but it's like when I'm running BlueStack, even one app is like lagging as fuck, so I don't want to do it. I rather to invest at some point to buy a few more tablets and just basically put those tablets above the monitors, and then when I will be doing the stream, let's say, so I'll be able to access everything instantly, like without even swapping to the different app. But right now it is what it is, but definitely I will try to, like I said, like allocate 20 apps on here on the desktop, 20 on the tablets, but I'm not gonna invest 20 into 20 tablets, but you never know. That'd be actually super hard to even physically put that. Like 20 tablets. How the fuck I be able to put 20 tablets? Like 10 tablets, I think I will manage. Like buy the big massive desk and then cooked every tablet behind the desk. So I assume like 10 won't be that hard to do it, but we'll see. I have that idea when I want to do this, like despite the fact like I'm gonna make any money from this or not, but it's gonna be looks bizarre. Be good. Anyway, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video and take care and bye for now.